Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first, this evening, the Caribbean Examinations Council, CXC, has sent a strong warning to students ahead of the next testing cycle with electronic exams.
Effective January 2026, all examinations administered in the January sessions will be offered electronically.
But the council says any candidate tampering with or attempting to cheat the digital exam system could be severely penalized.
Ramarda Lyons reports.
All breaches may not be caught, but if you try to cheat the system and get caught, you will face the consequences. That warning to candidates across the region from Rodney Payne, Director of Technological Innovations at the Caribbean Examination Council. This comes as the council moves to administer more exams electronically.
I will never say it cannot be breached, but I will say we try very hard to ensure we at least in step with those who are attempting to come in, because each day there's an update.
Concern has been raised about some candidates accessing exam material online in advance. There's also the risk of the dissemination of those materials, as was the case with physical papers during the last examination period. With technology at play, the reach could be wider. But in addition to failing, Mr. Payne warns that candidates run the risk of suffering serious penalties.
Prepare for your exam rather than breaching our security. If you could breach our security, I'm sure you could pass our exam. While we may not be able to prevent all from coming in, if we catch you, you know you're going to be punished severely.
In the meantime, CXC has designed a policy for the adoption of AI in education across secondary schools. This follows a data collection last year, which revealed that nearly 70% of member states do not have a formal AI policy in place. 25% of the countries have one being developed. 6% of the countries have an AI policy embedded in another. Mr. Payne says there cannot be any inequity among the different schools across the region.
For us to benefit as a region, we need a harmonious development utilizing the technologies across the board. It's not going to help us if one state moves ahead quickly and the others are struggling to follow, because CXC's exams are not territorial. They're not located in one member state. All must benefit from the intervention.
Now, the 25% of member states with an AI policy being developed represents 6 countries. That means students outside those countries would be at a technological disadvantage.
Each member state, each set of candidates should have an equal opportunity to benefit from the technologies that are available. And we give some general guidelines embodied in 10 policy statements that will support development within territory. At whichever level you are, you can participate and advance that agenda.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.
Despite a